Well, good Friday morning there, Big Country. As we look ahead to today, no rain to start our morning, but we are watching an upper level low system that will bring us another chance at not only cooler temperatures, but for a few across the Lone Star State, they could be looking at some snow by this afternoon. For us here, a few clouds to get us going this morning. A stationary front further to our south that will bump back up north, the cold front that is already pushing through some of our northern counties this morning. Max Live radar showing a clear sweep of the region. Yesterday's a little bit of rumble to start the morning prompted about 0.08 of an inch in the rain bucket at the Abilene Regional Airport. Fortunately, not as much as we would like, but at least it's something in the rain bucket. Temperatures are into the mix of the 40s out the door, so sweater weather, not a bad idea to start this morning. Upper 30s out near Eastland and Brownwood, but even with a series of cold fronts that we've seen, those temperatures today still remaining above the average. But thanks to that front dipping in some of our northern counties, you can see a wind directional change further out to the north, while most of us are seeing winds out of the south and southwest, but on the more light side of those winds compared to yesterday. But did you know that about a year ago to this same date, we were watching for snow ourselves? We saw about an inch of snowfall total. We started off with rain, and as temperatures dropped thanks to a front, we saw that transition at about 7:30, 7:45 in the morning over to snow, and we picked up a little bit close to an inch of snow. But for us today, no snow in the forecast, at least not for any of us here in our area. Out towards the Panhandle, they are watching for a chance at snow today, even portions of eastern New Mexico. With the frontal boundary, we'll watch that system push up north. We'll keep cloud cover out towards the southeast, where a few out towards Mills, Comanche, and potentially even Brown County could be looking at the possibility of a few morning into afternoon showers. We'll see the cold front move through by late tonight, meaning that for Saturday, we'll see sunny skies followed with a high pressure, meaning that we'll see a cold and freezing start to Sunday morning. But for today, we'll call it a high of 70 degrees with elevated fire concerns. Temperatures above average with breezy winds out of the west, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Then tonight, low of 33. We'll see the cold front move through late at night, but then leaving behind mostly clear conditions as winds pull out of the north, 10 to 20, gusting to 30. For our folks in Brownwood, high of 73. Once again, you'll see a chance at some morning showers with a chance for fire concerns as we see those winds for you mostly out of the west northwest. Then tonight, a low of 34. You'll see a mostly clear night with a slight breeze. Winds will then transition out of the north following the front. That extended forecast, no rain, but at least we get closer to seasonal this weekend before we rebound into the 60s. But hey, it's better than 70s and 80s in January.